place, they ain't doing it like you and I want a holiday, let us fly away, they ain't doing it like you and I. Moving on the vibe, kill it every time, they ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I, they ain't doing it like you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I. Doing it like you and I. Doing it like you and I. You and I. You and I. Doing it like you and I. I said I'm dying to see you. Got me waiting for my lady, and I've been trying to free you. Send a couple pics, got me crazy. She got to mine and we're chilling now. Tryna ask you how's your day been. She gonna drawn for the liquor now. In the light, wanna split and get wavy. We are on our way, take over the place. They ain't doing it like you and I want a holiday, let us fly away. They ain't doing it like you and I. Moving on the vibe, kill it every time. They ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I.
Tell them over girl move aside. Why? They ain't doing it like you and I. Try not to worry where the future lies. It's a fact, I am yours and you are mine. She puts in the work morning through the night. Still she's the life of the party on a uni vibe. Tryna get a brother in the suit and tie, looking fresh, get the pussy wet like a scuba dive. She walked in the place looking like a Barbie. Summertime girl, put the chicken on the Barbie. Breasts and legs, them other gal are making sarnie. Sex the best, you get up in the bed, I can't leave. She loves a dirty rhythm just like I do. You feel like you're me, I feel like I'm you. You don't have to watch no face when we ride through. You don't have to watch what I'm on, cause I like you.
Said I'm dying to see you, and I've been trying to breathe. She got some wine and we're chilling now. She got the drawn to the liquor now. In the light, wanna split and get wavy. We are on our way, take over the place. They ain't doing it like you and I want a holiday, let us fly away. They ain't doing it like you and I. Moving on the vibe, kill it every time. They ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I.
Hier kommen
They
die!
ain't doing it like you and
Ja,
I.
weißt was wir gerade machen? Ja, original!
They ain't doing it like you and I.
Nur überall.
They ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I.
Yeah, I get my best flows and test on my next shows while my whiteboard is marked up with expos. Planning out all of my next moves and expos. The most unlikely artist to make it out of the West Coast. Teenager with the mind of a vet though, but soon somebody will sign him a check. So if you did something that you highly regret, I recommend it, it's about time that you let go. Cause at first they were trying to diss me, now I'm coming up so they ask for favors. And when you get noticed, the story flips. See, now they talking to me on their best behavior. People I barely know telling me they love me. Two-faced friends only in it for the money. Who can you trust when he trying to be the greatest? But now I'm waving bye to you haters until I'm number. number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number and you can tell that I mean it if you look into my eyes. It shouldn't be a surprise when I finally arrive at the top. What am I really trying to prove? Did I just put myself into a situation where I gotta choose between music and money, fans and friends? I hope that all the above is on the Scantron then. Life is a test and I study for the class. If you wanna understand, then you better do the math. Procrastinated rappers thinking they go past, gonna find out real soon just how long they gonna last. Can't afford to keep it 100 nowadays, cause if you want the money and need the record plays, you'll turn into a Lady Gaga monster for the fame. That's why all of a sudden all your music sounds the same. With me, I keep it me, have nobody else to blame. Cause even if I never ever make it in the game, I'll know I kept it true when I gave my all to you. But now fuck it, I ain't in it to lose, I wanna be number. Number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number. And you can tell that I mean it if you look into my eyes. It shouldn't be a surprise when I finally arrive at the top. Number one. I spent my last 2 summers surrounded by blue walls and people doing covers. YouTube stars seem to come in a flash, but when lightning strike, I'ma come later with the thunder.
Mhm.